Part 1. Find the best-selling book. Alright, let's start with research. This is the foundation of creating any best-selling coloring book. So, I'm on Amazon.com and I typed in coloring book. Right away, you'll see hundreds of results, but what we really want to focus on are the bestsellers. Now, here's a little hack I use. I've installed an extension called DS Amazon Quick View. What this does is show me the bestsellers rank, BSR, instantly while I browse, without having to click on every single product page. You'll notice some books have very low BSR numbers. That means they're selling extremely well. For example, if you see something under 1,000, that's a strong seller. As I scroll through, I notice a clear pattern. Books with cute animals, cozy themes, and simple, easy-to-color designs are consistently ranking high. Customers love them because they're relaxing and fun, not overly detailed or stressful. Now here's the real secret. Don't just look at the covers, dive into the reviews. This is where readers tell you exactly what they like and don't like. Some will say, "I wish the drawings were simpler," or "I love the cute characters." That feedback tells us exactly what to focus on in our own book. One seller that really stands out here is Coco Wyo, who has multiple best-selling coloring books dominating the charts. Looking at their success gives us an excellent benchmark for what works in this niche. So, step 1 is complete. We've confirmed there's strong demand for these types of coloring books, and we've found some interesting bestsellers, like Coco Wyo's books, that will inspire us as we create our own unique coloring book.